Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Gmail on iPhone. Now for us to get this done, let's go ahead and open the settings here, and we're going to go ahead and look for something called account. If you don't see it here, just go ahead and tap the search button. Go ahead and type here account. Alright, there you go, and then you should be able to see here apps, mail, accounts. Go ahead and click that one, and then we're going to go ahead and add our Gmail account right here, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, there you go, and I'm going to go ahead and click the next button right here, and then click open browser, and basically it's just going to bring google.com from me, and I can go ahead and tap the next button down below. And then what we're going to do is just confirm this one, so you can either do it by password. Alright, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and click continue, select all, and then click continue here. And there you go. So you can see that now it has been added. I can go ahead and click the save button right here, and then you should be able to see here the account that I have added.